Go see Ivory. Go on, Minnie. Go see Ivory. Say hi, Ivory. Say hi, Ivory. Ivory. Now stop it. Come here. Oh, she's got to pee. Good boy. Good boy. Say hi, Ivory. Now, stop that. No, Ivory. You're a horse. Ivory. What? What? Yeah, see, if you're a good gentleman, she might come talk to you. See, if you be a good boy, she'll come talk to you. Say, Minnie, come talk to me. Yep, no. Say, Minnie, come talk to me, please. Are you asking her nice? Minnie. Minnie. Ivory wants to talk to you. She's got to have a bath. You talk to him, Minnie. Say hi, Ivory. Ivory, no. Are you talking to her? Huh? Minnie. It's a camera. You can't eat a camera. Ivory, stop lunging at her. Now, see, you have to be good. She won't come over and play with you.